So guys, how are you all? I am fine, and today I want to say something to everyone. Yes, so this thing is very important for all of you guys, and I am so afraid because today I am going to say a very big secret about American accent. Yes, a very big secret of American accent, and I am just sure that if you understand the secret and if you know what is the secret, then your American accent will be killer. Yes, like the memes. And I want to say that all of the American people, they always hide the secret from us, and that's why their accent and our accent is very different. So guys, I want to say everything to you. I am very excited and I know you're also very curious about what is the secret is. But guys, don't worry, I will just say you all of the thing A to Z, what is the secret and why we Indians we do lots of mistakes in this part. So guys, as I want to say that in the last, I will give a bonus practice to everyone. Then just don't miss the last chapter. Don't miss the last part of the video. So guys, but first of all, you also have a responsibility. My responsibility was sharing lots of things to you. So now you also have a responsibility. This responsibility is just liking the video, subscribing our channel, hitting the bell icon. And the last, what you feel, just comment in the comment section. So guys, without any stop, let's start the video.
3, 2, 1.
So first of all, I want to say one thing to everyone, that this practice or the secret is not about any grammar rules, it is not about any words, it is not about any sentences, it is not about the license, or it is not about the staircase intonation. So the question just comes that what is it actually? So guys, I want to say everyone and I want to reveal that this secret is about the sounds. Yes guys, simple sounds that we everyone do every day for to explain and also for to express our feelings to anyone. Okay, so guys remember and also just think for a minute that our sound, we also do a sound and the American people also do a sound. But the difference is that our sound don't match the American sound, and that's why the American sound called the American accent and our sound is Indian accent, like the normal accent. So guys, this is the thing. Everything about the sounding, everything about our tone, our tongue, yes, our tongue, everything. So guys, I know that you were also just confused that what is the sound is. So just I'll give you 3 examples. 3 words, basic words, normal words, don't worry about a lot. That the great, car, and also the river. Yes, the great, the car, and also the river. So these words are just so simple. Only thing you have to do, just pronounce it for a minute. Like the great. Just pronounce it normal in an accent or your normal accent. Great. Car. River. Just great, car, and river. And now just pronounce it in American accent. That great, car, river. Now guys, I think you understand something bit, little bit also. If you understand, it is a lot. That in our accent we just pronounce it like great, car, river. And that we are pronouncing. But the American people, they don't pronounce like this. They just pronounce it like great, river, and car. You have to pronounce, otherwise you can't understand. So guys, if you just pronounce, then I think you also understand a little bit. Then just will pronouncing the Indian accent and also the American accent, you can feel a little difference in your mouth. And that just try to feel that what is going on inside your mouth. Will you are just speaking, or will you are doing the Indian accent pronunciation or the American accent pronunciation? Indian accent, that great, car, river. In American accent, great, car, river, river. So the great becomes great, great. Great becomes great. Car, car, car. River, river, river. So all thing is just for our tongue. Yes, guys, I want to say that for our tongue. When pronouncing the great, you are just moving your tongue like great, great. Means eating touchy like our tongue. It's just touching the upper side of your mouth or of our mouth. Like great, great. It's just touching our reach. Reach means the upper side of our mouth. And then the same thing just happening with pronouncing the both two words. Like car, car, car. For touching it is just stopping. And then in the another word means in the river, 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 river. It is just touching our reach. But in American accent, the small thing, they don't do the mistake. In American people, they don't let their tongue touch their upper side of our mouth, means their reach. They pronounce it like great, great. It is not just touching my reach. I am just scrolling it back. Great, great, great. It is not touching. Great. And then the second word is that the car, car, car. I am just moving it a little bit. I am just scrolling my tongue and just moving it a little bit in the backward, like car, car, and then the river, river, river. That's why it is the thing, guys. This small thing that when our tongue touch our reach, means our upper side of our mouth, it takes time to recover, to start over. That's why the difference is. I know, guys, lots of people also can't like thinking that what is this thing will be like, how a small tongue that's touching in the upper side or not touching in the upper side, how it will be. But guys, if you also that's thinking like this, then just remove this thinking, because it helps me a lot. It helps me a lot. I also just practice, I just speak, I just like try to pronounce everything, but I can't. But when I just found out the secret, the tongue secret, then I understand what is it. That's why I say that it is the biggest secret of American accent. If you were just thinking that what will be, then just do practice. Do it practical, otherwise you can't. Take any sentence and any word. First, just try to spell it or just try to pronounce it in your normal Indian accent. And then in American, something. You don't have to just focus, and also if you don't have to just pressure your mouth or pressure yourself to pronounce the American accent. American accent will come to you easily and you just scroll your tongue a little bit. And remember, don't touch your tongue. Don't touch your tongue. You don't have to just do any another practices also. While you are reading a paragraph, while you are reading anything, a sentence, a short story, also question answer also. Just remember this secret. Just do it. Just try to practice it for a little bit. I know, guys, if you also now, if you practice, then you can see the developments tomorrow. Yes, then just do it. We also know, everyone knows a very beautiful quote that about our tongue. A tongue has no bone, but it has power to break a heart. So be careful with your words. So this simple thing, the tongue is everything. So guys, I also, if you just notice, I always just say you a one quote, a very beautiful quote, that take great mind, nothing is little. Take great mind, nothing is little. So this goes also like this. Yes, this small thing, this small, the tongue thing, touching the reach, it is a small thing. It can be also lots of people will ignore it, but no, guys, you don't do this mistake. It is very, very important. That's why this small thing is very big for us. For a great man, nothing is little. So I will take a few quotes. That my first quote is that some people feel the rain, others just get wet. It is a normal quote. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. I don't add any another things, and also I don't add nothing. I just pronounce it. But when I will just scroll my tongue a little bit, and when I don't let my tongue touch the ridge, then it will sound like the American. Yes, like some people feel the rain, others get wet. Some people feel the rain. Some people feel the rain. Feel. Some people feel the rain, and others get wet. Get wet. Like it is not get. It is get. Get wet. Get wet. Get wet. So yes, guys, this is the thing. And my second quote is also very beautiful and simple. Wrong people will always teach you the right lesson. Wrong people will always teach you the right lesson. Right lesson. It is not right lesson. It's right lesson. Right lesson. Lesson. You can touch your teeth. You can touch your back teeth, but not the ridge. So remember this thing. Everything will be clear for you. And my third quote is very beautiful quote. That if you focus on problems, then you'll have more problems. But if you focus on your possibilities, you'll have more opportunities. And just remember, sometimes you have to leave something, some sounds in the back, and just go. So this thing, lots of people also always just give us advice that if you want to learn this American accent, then just combine the words together. But how? How we can combine the words together? By this technique. This tongue technique. Just remember this, and then you can do it well. In the last, guys, as I say, I will tell you a bonus practice. This practice, just remember. For example, I want to say that how we also do a thing. Like always remember, when we just pronounce the ABCD, then our just mouth shape is like that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So why you would just pronounce this thing like in the O sound? Don't pronounce opportunity. The American people, they don't pronounce the opportunity. They pronounce it opportunities. So remember this thing. You also can go any YouTubes, anything, anywhere, and just watch American people like speech. It can be, and also it will help you a lot. They just do this thing a little bit. They always just try to pronounce everything with spreading their mouth like this. So guys, this technique is very beautiful technique, guys, and this practice, and now I am saying just try to do this thing. Like take your two fingers like here, and then just pressure your two lips like this. Yeah, and then pronounce anything whatever you like in quotes. And also just do, guys, I also do lots of hard work for you all, for to give you new thoughts and new ideas. So you also have a responsibility. Just subscribe the channel and hit the bell button, like this video, comment your feelings. So this practice can be a normal practice, but it is a very big, like chota packet bada dhamaka. We also learned this. So guys, it was a secret and it was a bonus practice. I know, guys, this tongue secret is very important for you, and I just guarantee if you practice this daily, if you just remember this secret, then it will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. It is the end of the video. I will meet on the next video, and if you have any thoughts, if you have any question about this, then just ask me in the comment section. I will try to give the answer. Bye bye. Like, subscribe,